chocolate meal replacement. 310 shake. What is 310 shake?
.310 is a healthy meal replacement formula made with some of the finest natural ingredients in the world. Control your hunger. 310 meal replacement shakes contain powerful triplex proteins which help control hunger, setting the stage for calorie and weight reduction. Enjoy delicious diet shakes without feeling hungry. Clean protein. Our meal replacement shakes have no artificial sweeteners and artificial flavors. Our 15 grams of triplex proteins, which includes brown rice protein, pea protein, and hemp protein to help support lean muscle development and increased fat burn. Delicious taste. 310 shake meal replacements are delicious, making it easy for you to stick to your diet and lose weight. Gluten-free, soy-free, sucralose-free. Our meal replacements shakes also contain our 310 greens blend, 1 billion CFU of probiotics, and 17 vitamins and minerals to support your health inside and out. Quick and easy. 310 shake is easy to use and easy to make. Replace 1 or 2 meals a day for safe and effective weight loss. Whip up a meal replacement shake in seconds. It is the perfect grab-and-go diet shake. More about this product, please click this video description link.